there, power enthusiasts! Get ready to dive into another round of questions and answers. Today we're going to go over Tenergy's Alkaline C size batteries. We're going to tackle frequently asked questions from our community about this odd size battery. Is it a D size battery? How are they different? Buckle up, it's time to power up your knowledge. Let's roll. What is an Alkaline C battery? An Alkaline C battery, also known as a LR14 battery, is a cylindrical, non-rechargeable battery. It's commonly used in high-drain devices like flashlights, electric candles, or toys. What is the voltage of an alkaline battery? The nominal voltage of an Alkaline C battery is 1.5 volts. However, the actual voltage of a new alkaline battery can vary slightly depending on the manufacturer. For example, Tenergy's C-size alkaline batteries usually have a voltage range of around 1.6 volts when new. They are considered fully discharged when their voltage drops to around 0.8 to 0.9 volts, although the exact cutoff may slightly vary depending on the device that's using the batteries. Can I recharge Alkaline C batteries? No. Absolutely do not try to recharge alkaline batteries. They are meant to be used only once. Attempting to recharge them can lead to a dangerous chemical reaction inside the battery, resulting in leakage, rupture, and even an explosion. How long do Alkaline C batteries typically last in terms of runtime? The amount of time Alkaline C batteries last depends on how you use them and the device you use them in. If it's a low-energy device, such as a portable radio, they can keep it powered for approximately 125 hours. However, in high-energy devices like a flashlight, they might last only 12 to 20 hours, depending on the power draw. Is Alkaline C battery the same as CR123A? No, even though they are both non-rechargeable batteries, they are not the same. An Alkaline C-size battery is a larger cylindrical battery with a nominal voltage of 1.5 volts. It has a diameter of about 25.4 millimeters and a height of approximately 49.3 millimeters. On the other hand, the CR123A battery is a lithium battery with a nominal voltage of 3 volts. It is smaller with a diameter of about 16.4 millimeters and a height of around 34 millimeters. Both batteries serve different purposes, so it's essential to use the correct battery size and type for your specific device. Can I replace rechargeable C batteries with Alkaline C batteries? Generally, nickel metal hydride C batteries can be used as a direct replacement for Alkaline C batteries, but always check the user manual or the instructions for your device. If the manual recommends a specific type of battery, make sure to follow that. Can I mix Alkaline C batteries with rechargeable C batteries in my device? No, it's not a good idea to mix Alkaline C batteries with rechargeable C batteries in your device. The reason is that they have different voltages. Mixing them can cause problems like uneven power distribution, reduced performance, or even damage to your device. To avoid issues, use either all alkaline batteries or all rechargeable batteries in your device. Stick to one type and make sure they are from the same brand for the optimal performance and battery life. Where can I find the expiration date? Is it okay to use expired batteries? Tenergy Alkaline C batteries come with an expiration date printed on them. Even if they go past that date, they may still work, but their performance might not be as good due to aging. What causes Alkaline C batteries to leak? Alkaline C batteries can leak if they are left inside devices for too long and get over-discharged, or if you try to recharge them. Mixing different types or sizes of batteries, putting them in the wrong way, dropping them, storing them in poor conditions, or exposing them to high temperatures can also cause leakage. If a battery leaks, recycle it properly and avoid touching the leaked material with your skin. In case of skin contact, wash the affected area immediately with water. How should I store Alkaline C batteries? To store Alkaline C batteries properly, find a cool, dry place at normal room temperature. Avoid really hot or freezing spots because it can mess up their performance and may cause leakage. Don't keep them in the fridge, it could cause damages due to condensation when you take them out. Also, it's better if you can keep them in their original packaging for some protection. If you're not using the batteries for a long time, take them out of your devices to save power. Lastly, make sure to use them before they expire for optimal performance. How can I dispose of Alkaline C batteries? Though some places may accept Alkaline C batteries in regular trash, it's better to recycle them because they contain harmful materials. Many communities have recycling programs, and some stores have collection bins for used batteries. Check the link in the description to find a nearby battery recycling location. Let's do our part for the environment. And that concludes today's video. Thanks for checking out the Tenergy Alkaline C Batteries FAQ. We hope we covered all your questions. But hey, if you've got more, just drop them in the comments below and we'll be there to help out. It's been a blast talking about batteries with you. Stay charged up and keep an eye out for our next video. See you real soon.